DL40DU EEC homologated multi-purpose ATV. Fits everywhere. Works for everyone. Kingang Factory integrates production, assembly, and testing in one site. Four kW permanent magnet synchronous motor. Tesla's same technology improve power and efficiency. Efficiency increased by 10%. 0 to 43 kilometers per hour in a flash. Conquers 25 slopes easily. 10-inch wide tires increase contact area. 18 centimeters ground clearance. Transmission ratio 15:1. Enhanced cornering with 20% reduced body lean at 20 kilometers per hour. Each vehicle is tested before delivery. Suitable for agriculture, ranching, industrial and transportation applications. Packing dimensions: 285 times 115 times 95 centimeter. Kingang multi-purpose ATV. Go anywhere. Stay safe.